ह्या सांजेर आमचे मदीं आसात किंग मोमो पेट्रीक, त्याचबरोबर गोयचे माजी मुख्यमंत्री आणि PWD मिनिस्टर दिगंबर कामत, उल्हास सुळेकर, आमचे रिजनल दामू शिरोडकर, बाय मिलाग्री आणि हांगसर जमिल्ले सगळे कावन्सिलर आणि सगळे आयचो मॅसेज आसा तोच मॅसेज दिता. कार्नावालाच्या निमतान एक मॅसेज आसा किंग मोमोचो, खावो पिवो मजा करो आणि आमकां सगळ्यांक हांगा भाशणां बिशणां काय ना, खावो पिवो मजा करो. देव बरें करूं.
2026 आज मडगांवचा फ्लोट या फ्लोटाची तुमकां व्हडलीच सांगची गरज ना. मडगांवचा फ्लोट सदांच फामाद अख्ख्या शास्त्रीचा लोक, even people from neighboring Karnataka, Karwar come here to watch this float. And now without taking much time, with all the dignitaries, especially Sri Damu Naik, Sri Honorable PWD Minister Margao MLA, Digambar Kamat, Navali MLA, Sri Ullas, and also Momo, Reginald Lawrence, Kurtobi MLA. I happen to be my maternal village, and I'm very proud that he is here. I hereby declare the decree and declare the carnival floats open for Margao Carnival 2026. The King Momo Decree 2026. Yokar friends, welcome to my magnificent kingdom of Goa. I am your very own King Momo, who shall reign supreme throughout the carnival. Without further ado, I hereby declare the carnival festivities open. Come and join us in celebrating the extraordinary event that is Carnival 2026. It is time, dear subjects, to set aside your stresses, relax, and truly enjoy the experience that is life. Eat, drink, and make merry. Whether young and old, shy or bold, Carnival tradition demands that you move your hips, tap your feet, and dance non-stop to the rhythm of the beat. I expect each and every one of you to dance to your heart's content. Let peace, joy, fun, and frolic prevail across Goa during my reign. Forget all worries and the pressures of modern living. Be happy and make everyone around you happy. Long live Carnival! Viva Goa! Viva Carnival!
Viva!
Viva Carnival!
Viva! Viva!
Viva Carnival!
Yeah,
Thank
that was King Momo
Enjoy,
for you.
and all the best to all the floats in
policy. Over to the King Momo Bump Circuit.
I request the army band to just stop for a minute, please. Army band, the pipe and drums. Can you please pause for a minute? We need the King Momo to open the carnival. आपसे विनती करना चाहेंगे कुछ पल रुक जाए. Safety, make sure you are all with your safety gears. Wear your helmet, wear your seat belt, and save yourself from all the challan. Follow all safety rules.
आता जवळचा आमचा King Momo Bump Circuit दाखवतो. Anyone from Margao to आपले डिग्री वस्तलो आणि कार्निवल I song open the color in association with
immediately takes the victim injured
Here comes the first throughout the evening.
private hospital
By the local police.
is declared as a good Samaritan.
Someone is waiting for you.
With rupees 5,000
What
cash,
are
the
the-
All the safety.
The band of army and a grand salute to Indian Army.
इट्स अ व्हेरी ट्रेडिशनल सेलिब्रेशन जे काल आम्ही नॉर्थ गोवा पडये आणि आज साऊथ गोवा मडगांव हांगा आसा. आमच्या बरोबर आमचे एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर आणि पीडब्ल्यू मिनिस्टर आणि मडगांवचे आमदार बाब दिगंबर कामत, आमचे नावेलीचे आमदार बाबुल्लास कुवेकर, पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष बाब दामू नाईक, तशेंच चेअरपर्सनचे बाय मिलाग्रीन जे कार्निवल कमिटी चेअरपर्सन आसा, असे सगळे जण काउन्सिलर्स आणि व्हड संख्येन आयिल्ले लोक. Carnival is one of the traditional cultural festivity of Goa. वर्षाप्रमाणे we are trying to promote it in the best manner, and that can be seen by domestic and international tourists coming from various parts of the world and the country to this place. काल पणजे जाले, आज आम्ही हांगा आसा. Time to sing, time to clap, time for celebrations and music. So I think King Mohammed काल डिग्री वाचून सांगले, time for fun, frolic and entertainment म्हणून. These 4 days is going to be full of fun and entertainment. I request all of them to come, enjoy responsibly, and be a part of this festival. Viva Carnival!